Navigating constant changes, updates, and ranking factors should be nothing new to those working with SEO, but they never fail to surprise us. So let's get you ahead of the game and outline the key challenges to maximizing your SEO strategy this year. Keeping up with Google. Google loves to update their search engine algorithm, a lot more than it used to in one year. These updates have meant that overnight keyword positions can drop significantly and websites can lose crucial visibility within search engine results. Harnessing artificial intelligence. Whether you like it or not, AI and machine learning have already arrived and are already being used within SEO. But here's the hard part. As much as artificial intelligence will make parts of your SEO strategy easier, it can also hinder your performance. While AI-generated content emerged as an SEO trend last year, so did the helpful content update from Google, with the aim of reducing the amount of spammy, less original, non-authoritative content out there. Just make sure, if you're using AI to write content, that it isn't written to solely rank online and not provide helpful information to real humans. Cookies and consent mode. Really, this captures digital marketing as a whole. Third-party cookies are going the way of the dinosaurs and bringing a whole host of challenges for website owners. We estimate this to be one of the most important changes, but potentially one that can slip underneath the radar of many SEO strategies. Listening to the industry. According to our research, the industry views the following as the biggest challenges in 2023. Machine learning and AI, 18.7%, Google updates, 18%, third-party cookies, 13.9%, Google zero-click pages, 12.9%, talent competition, 11.5%. For a full, in-depth guide on maximizing your SEO strategy, check out our post link in the description. For more content keeping you updated on the industry, don't forget to subscribe and check out our previous videos on the Raw channel.